Loving someone is beyond your control. You might not even notice it. But traces of that person are everywhere in your life. No matter what you do, their image flashes in your mind. You think about them, you miss them, deep down it's always them. Some call this an obsession. But look at it another way. This obsession is like the laws of the universe. It's everywhere and you can't resist it. You think it's a soft spot in your heart, but it's surprisingly similar to the oldest forces in the cosmos. 30 seconds have passed. Is there a name popping into your head? That name is like the gravitational center of your life. You can't escape it. You can't forget it. When Newton saw the apple fall, he came up with the law of gravity. He found that everything in the universe attracts each other. Simply put, if something exists, it pulls on other things. Doesn't that sound a lot like love? You think you are willingly drawn to them, but really, you are losing your direction in that invisible pull. Now ask yourself this question. Are you obsessed with that person, or is the universe using them to wake up your own gravity? When we look up at the night sky, we feel something hard to describe. Astronomer Carl Sagan once said, "We are all made of starstuff." What he meant is, the atoms in your body were born in stellar explosions billions of years ago. So you and the person you love, you both come from the same stars. When you miss them, you are really talking to the earliest version of yourself. Isn't that amazing? Your obsession was never just about one person. It's about the mark the universe left on you. And when you love someone, time feels different. Time flies when you are together. But when you are apart, every minute feels like a year. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity might explain this. Einstein said, "Space and time bend with mass and energy." In other words, if that person is the star in your life, their very existence changes your time. In love, you experience your own time dilation. It's very real but hard to put into words. See, it's not an illusion. It's the universe casting a shadow in your emotions. German philosopher Kant talked about the starry sky and the moral law within. He said they filled him with awe. Apply that to love. The cosmos is vast, and so is your heart. When you love someone, that expanding feeling is infinity meeting infinity. Kant meant that humans can feel the greatness of the cosmos and the greatness of the heart. And love is where they meet. Sure, some say love is just chemistry. Neuroscientist Antonio Damasio found that love and attachment link to brain chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. Yes, scientifically it's a chemical process. But if you reduce love to cold explanations, it loses its meaning. Physicist Neil deGrasse Tyson reminds us, understanding the universe isn't just about how it works, it's about finding our place in it. Love helps you find what you didn't know. Meeting someone in a crowd isn't just dopamine, it's the universe telling you there's an invisible curve in spacetime between you. Physicist Brian Greene once said, "The universe is incredibly complex. Our existence is a low probability miracle." Think about it. There are hundreds of billions of stars in the galaxy. Yet you met that person in your life. That's not inevitable. It's extremely unlikely. Love is like the birth of Earth. It required countless coincidences to happen. You meeting them is one of the rarest moments in the universe. But love isn't always beautiful. It often brings pain and struggle. Stephen Hawking said, "Look up at the stars, not down at your feet." He was trapped by illness his whole life. But he always looked toward the cosmic horizon. He studied black holes, suggesting they might not be the end, but a beginning for new life. Love is the same. When you think loss is destruction, it might be nurturing something new. That obsession may not turn into companionship, but it becomes energy in your heart, pushing you forward. Just like a dying star gives birth to new planets. Newton tells us love is gravity. Sagan says love is stardust. Einstein says love bends spacetime. Kant says love is as deep as the cosmos. Damasio reminds us love has a chemical basis. Tyson says love helps us find our place. Greene says love is a cosmic miracle. Hawking says love can transcend ending. See, these scientists and philosophers use different languages to explain the universe. But if you put their ideas together, they all seem to say love, like the universe, can't be fully explained, yet it's everywhere. So have you ever wondered, why do we obsess over someone we can't have? Why push ourselves into black holes knowing it hurts? Maybe this is where humans and the cosmos are most alike. The universe began with a big bang, from chaos to order, from darkness to light. Love is the same, from attraction to deep feeling, from confusion to obsession. All your struggles in life are just the universe reflecting in you. You can't resist it, just like planets can't resist gravity. So next time you look up at the stars, don't feel alone. That obsession in your heart, that love, no matter how it ends, is already part of the universe's fabric. It's like a star, it leaves light even after it burns out. Even if the star is gone, the light travels billions of light years to reach your eyes. The person you loved may be gone, but that light remains. It becomes a coordinate in your life, reminding you that you once lived passionately, and that you are part of this vast cosmos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.